Asek Gumban, why do you have to include Senator Bongo in the matrix when he is not even an incorporator? Because they're just close friends, you have to include him? Why?
Yes, sir, that is to establish that these people, Alan Lim, has a connection to higher ups because of their friendship with higher people.
Oh my goodness. Is Senator Bongo involved in Pogo and in drugs? Were you able to investigate that?
Sorry, Mr. Chair, maybe the title is wrong. Our title
The
of the
title is
presentation
wrong.
is wrong.
So ibig sabihin nito, it also would be wrong for you to include a person who is not involved in those alleged crimes. Asek Gumban.
Yes, sir, as I have said, sir, the title of the matrix of our presentation is quite lacking. What we have, sir, is their connections. This Alan Lim, his connections with influential people. Just connection, whatever it is, they have
If they have connection to influential people, ibig sabihin, tama si Congresswoman Castro, meron silang involvement doon. Inyo bang nababasa ito na meron tayong kasabihan, birds of the same feather flock together? Di ba?
It's possible, sir.
Oh,
It's
possible. O ngayon possible na. Kanina itinatanggi mo na si Michael Yang kasama doon, including the senator putting in there as close friends. Hindi dapat kasama. Oo. Yan ang sinasabi ni Chairman Ace Barbers. Huwag tayong magkakamali because you do not want to accuse a wrong person. Asek Gumban.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you.
kung di po involved sa illegal drugs si Senator Bongo, pwede bang sabihin na protector ito ng mga personality ng involved sa illegal drugs? So logic lang po yun.
Now, with
So,
the indulgence of Congresswoman Castro, mahirap po kasing kasi nga nabanggit po nila kanina na ongoing naman po yung kanilang investigation. We may probably have our own opinion on the presentation na ginawa nila, no? And there are questions still hanging. And in fairness naman sa kanila, hindi pa naman sila tapos, no? And I would beg the indulgence of Congresswoman Castro that to give them more time to submit to the committee kung ano ang kanilang findings. Sabi ko nga kanina, it is difficult really na magbanggit tayo ng pangalan na wala tayong sufficient na ebidensya.
So